Hello students, how are you? I think you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, today I am going to discuss about tech question with main rules. Dear students, actually what is tech question? Previous class I discussed it. Dear students, you have already known about, but in this class I will repeat what is tech question. Actually tech question is a special type of question or construction in English. We use tech question to ask more information. Dear students, we can compare tech question with ornament. Dear students, you may laugh hearing these words, but actually it is not matter of laughing. Women or girl use ornament to decorate herself or themselves. So we use tag question to decorate or beautify the sentence. Dear students, actually tag question is nothing but decorate the sentence. Dear students, come to the main point. I will discuss tag question with main rules. Main rules. Dear students, today I will discuss tech question for class 9 and 10 students from English second paper. Okay students, join with me. Dear students, in this moment who are watching this video, you will notice very carefully how to make tech question. Dear students, okay. Number one, dear students, if the main part is thank you, tag question will be don't I. Dear students, if the main part is thank you, tag question will be don't I, because thank you means I thank you. It is a assertive sentence. You may think it is an imperative sentence, but it will be wrong. It is a assertive sentence. I thank you. I subject. It's have understood. You object. So that question will be don't I. Dear students, you have known already, if the main sentence is positive, that question will be negative. So dear students, come to number 2. If the main sentence or main part is who plus main verb plus s or is. For example, who else? Dear students, in this regard, tag question will be do they. Tag question will be do they. Okay students, because actually who cares, this sentence bears negative meaning. So that question will be affirmative, do they. Dear students, come to number 3. If everybody, everyone, everybody, everyone, somebody, someone, nobody, none, etc. Dear students, these words, if used in main sentence as a subject, that person must be, the subject of that person will be they. Subject will be they. For example, everybody likes him. Don't they? Dear students, as everybody is a subject of this sentence, so we must use as a subject of that person they. Everybody as used affirmative subject in this sentence, and this sentence is affirmative, so that person will be negative. Okay students, but if subject nobody is used, nobody dislikes him, that question will be affirmative. Do they? Okay, dear students, I think you are clear. If subject is affirmative or sentence is affirmative, that question will be negative. On the other hand, if subject is negative and sentence will be also negative, that question will be positive. Okay students, now I will discuss number 4. If the main part is imperative with main verb, that question will be will you. Structure: imperative sentence with main verb. That question will be will you. Okay students, for example, to the sum, will you. Dear students, this sentence starts with main verb and it expresses order, so it is also an imperative sentence, so that question will be will you. Okay students, number 5. If imperative sentence starts with let's, that question will be shall we. Dear students, if imperative sentence starts with let's, that question will be shall we. For example, let's have a party. Let's have a party. Shall we? Okay, dear students. Number 4 structure is one kind of imperative sentence. It is also number 5 sentence is also imperative sentence. Dear students, number 6 imperative sentence starts with only let plus personal object except us, such as let me, let him, let her, let them. That question will be will you. Dear students, for example, let me do the work. Will you? Dear students, this sentence is one kind of imperative sentence which starts with let plus personal object except us. So that question will be will you. Okay, dear students, number 7. If two subjects adds with as well as oblique along with oblique including to oblique in addition to etc. In this regard, that question will be followed by first subject. Dear students, listen to me. I repeat, if two subjects adds with as well as along with including to in addition to, that question will be followed by first subject. For example, Hannah as well as her sisters did the work. Dear students, you will notice this in this sentence there are two subjects, Hannah, her sisters, connects with as well as. So we have to make that question following the first subject Hannah. So we will write didn't she. Okay students, here she is followed by Hannah. Okay, dear students, come to number 8. Come to number 8. If two subjects adds with or connects with either or neither nor, either dot dot or neither dot dot nor, or nor. Dear students, in this regards, that question will be followed by the last subject. Dear students, listen to me again. If two subject adds or connects with either dot dot or neither dot dot nor, or nor, that question will be followed by the last subject. For example, either Hannah or her sisters did the work. Dear students, in this sentence, there are two subjects, Hannah and her sisters, connects with either or. So we have to make that question flowing the last subject, her sisters. So we must write didn't they. Not flowing Hannah, flowing her sisters. So we can use they. Dear students, come to number 9. If the sentence connects with 2 dot dot 2 or hardly oblique seldom oblique scarcely and so on. Dear students, 2 dot 2 hardly, seldom, scarcely, these types of words bear all time negative meaning. So their tag question will be affirmative or positive. For example, he is too weak to speak. He is too weak to speak. So in this sentence connects with 2 dot dot 2. So is there negative meaning? So that question will be affirmative. Is he? Dear students, okay. Come to number 10. Number 10. If the structure like that, the plus mother, father, oblique sister, oblique brother, plus verb plus preposition in plus her oblique him. So the subject of that question will be it. Dear students, if the structure like that, like flowing, this structure, article the plus mother oblique father oblique sister plus brother plus verb plus in plus her oblique him. So the subject of that question will be it. For example, the mother rose in her didn't eat. Dear students, in this field you must remember this structure. The mother rose in her. You have to use subject it, not use she, because the mother is not actually mother. This mother is used in this sentence to express feelings, motherly feelings. So you must use as a subject of that question it. Okay, all are clear, students? I think you all clear about this structure. Okay, dear students, come to number 11. Number 11, if the subject with gerund, that means V1 plus ing, infinitive, that means 2 plus V1 and clause, that means W is what? W is what? Oblique that plus personal object so subject will be it. Dear students, in this regard the subject of that question will be it. For example, walking is a best exercise. That question will be isn't it. Like that, to are is human. Isn't it? Dear students, come to number 12. Dear students, I think this structure is very helpful and it will be also very clear to you. So I will come back. Number 12. Dear students, number 12 is also very easy to you. Number 12, the subject sun, moon, star, sheep, newspaper, and Himalayas. Nature, beauty, and so on. Dear students, in this regard, the subject of tag question will be it. Dear students, you should remember this point. All types of subject, you should use it as a subject of tag question to avoid gender discrimination. Dear students, for example, the Titanic sank in 1912. Didn't it? Dear students, the Titanic is a name of ship, so we should use in this regard as a subject of tag question it. Dear students, okay, I think at this moment who are watching this video, I would like to thank all. Dear students, following this video, you will complete your homework staying at home and try to complete extra work following the grammar books. Dear students, this structure, all structure will be very helpful for you and for your realization. Dear students, I would like to finish today's class. Okay, all the best.